Hello students, welcome to the English class. You can subscribe my YouTube channel. We are going to study the first poem from the Flamingo book, My Mother at 66. Let's know about the author. Kamala Das was born on 31st March 1934 and she died on 31st May 2009. Popularly known by her one-time pen name Madhavi Kutty and married name Kamala Das, was an Indian English poet as well as leading Malayalam author from Kerala, India. This poem is very special because it talks about aging and the fear of loss and separation. So if you look at this poem itself, it is written in a very special way. It is like one single sentence pattern and the whole poem is written in one single sentence. And you can see various ideas woven into it. So let's look what Kamala Das is trying to say. As I told you, that the central theme of the poem is aging and fear of loss and separation. What is aging? Aging is a natural process where one gets old. So as you grow old, you lose your strength, you lose your vitality, and there is ultimately the fear of death. So here in this poem also, Kamala Das is thinking about her mother. She is with her mother and at the same time she is worried about her old mother and she has her own fears. Let's look at the poem now. So Kamala Das went to meet her parents and after meeting her parents, she is going back to Cochin. As she says, driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning. So it was Friday morning and she was going to Cochin airport from her parents' house. I saw my mother beside me doze. So she and her mother were traveling in a car. She was driving the car and her mother was sitting beside her. As she was driving, she looks at her mother. She says, I saw my mother beside me dozing. So here mother was sitting next to her and how was the mother? She was dozing. Dozing means sleeping. With mouth open. So her mouth was open and her face ashen like that of a corpse. So her face looked like a corpse, ashen in color. What is ashen? Ashen means grey in color, lifeless. So here she says that her mother's face was also ashen like that of a corpse. Corpse means dead body. So how pale a dead body can look? So she says that her mother was also looking like that. So why was that look on the face? Because her mother was getting very old and she has lost all her beauty and vitality, all her charmness. So she was just looking like a corpse. So here Kamala Das has compared her mother's face with a corpse. Corpse means dead body. And realized with pain that she was as old as she looked. And when she looked at her mother, she realized that her mother was looking very old. And that thought was very painful for Kamala Das. She looked, but soon she put that thought away. Means for a moment she just forgot that thought. Why? Because she did not want to continue to have the same thought of her mother becoming very old. So she wanted to forget that and wanted to remove the thought from her mind. So in order to forget that her mother was looking too old, she looked out of the car. Why did she look out? Because she saw the young trees sprinting. Sprinting means moving. So what do you mean by the young trees? So there were trees on the either side of the road. The trees were looking like running. Sprinting means running. So as any vehicle pass, we feel that the trees are also running along with the vehicle. The married children spilling out of their homes, and she could also see happy children. Married children means happy children. They were coming out of their homes and playing. Now students, here there is a contrast between what is inside and what is outside. Inside the car, her mother, who has lost her beauty, strength, vitality, charmness, and outside, how is the environment? It is very young, energetic, and colorful. But after the airport checking is over, she goes inside. So Kamala Das goes inside after her checking gets over, and her mother is standing outside a few yards away. I looked again at her van. So she says that she went inside and her mother was standing outside just to bid her goodbye. She went few yards and she looked back at her mother, and she saw that her mother looked very pale. Van means pale, colorless. Pale as a late winter's moon. Now once again, Kamala Das, she compares her mother with the late winter's moon. She says that when she looked at her mother once again, she looked pale. Pale means no brightness at all. She was looking like a late winter's moon. So first time she is comparing her mother to a late winter's moon. So what is late winter's moon? It usually signifies the end of the season, and the late winter moon usually lacks luster and brightness. So here mother is also in her final stage, and her face has also lost all the brightness and felt that old familiar ache. So when she looked at her mother, she felt that she was looking like the winter's moon. And then she felt that old familiar ache. What is a old familiar ache here? Old familiar ache means she always knows that she is going to lose her mother one day. And ache means pain. My childhood's fear, and she says that right from her childhood, she has a fear that she would lose her mother someday. And now the time has come because her mother is looking really old, and she cannot say how many more days her mother would be with her. So her childhood fear is that of losing her mother. But all I said was, "See you soon, Amma." All I did was smile and smile and smile. So in order to keep hope, she did not want to show her emotions to her mother. She has a fear of losing her mother, but she did not want to show her mother. And so she said, "See you soon, Amma." Why she said, "See you soon, Amma"? Because She is trying to instill some hope in her mother, hope in herself as well, that nothing is going to happen and we will be meeting soon. And all I did was smile and smile and smile. She smiled. Why? Because she did not wanted to show the emotions to her mother, the sad emotions that she may lose her one day. So she said, "See you soon, Amma," and smiled in order to cover up all her sad emotions. So, my dear students, here our poem gets over, and let's look at some poetic devices. Now here, simile, figure of speech, her face ashen like that of corpse wan pale as a late winter's moon. So here the mother's face is compared. Comparison is there between the mother and a corpse wan pale and late winter's moon. Personification. Here trees are personified. Sprinting means running, and we know that running is the human quality that is used for human beings. So this is the human being's quality is given to the trees. Repetition, smile and smile and smile. Here the word smile is repeated 3 times. Thank you, students. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.